Chippies. Yum.
Is that good?
You got your bunny. And your chippies.
Goodies. Go on the chippies. What? Tell me your favourite goose. You too. How's the newest member of our pack? We haven't done any updates in a long time, haven't we?
She's doing great.
What's going on, hun?
Good.
Oh yeah. Yes. What? Do you do that? Can I give you a command? No, you're just gonna take it. Give it to doggy. How gentle she is. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah, good on you, goose. I believe Lucy's almost 6 years old. Can you believe that, Cindy? Not all the chips. Come on. Should we actually give Goose some decent food now? Some chicken? Gentle, good. Hey? Hey Goose? You want to tell your friends you had a 2-hour bloody walk today? Lucy's very good, eh? Yum. And you've slobbered on the recipe. Oh, good. Should we go give Lucy some chicken? Want some chicken? Goose? She was yapping. Goose, sit. How's that tongue? That's enough chips for the dog. No more chips for the dog. Goosey. In your bed. Good girl. We've got the dog crate and the baby crate. Mwah.